In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush trial in just 5 minutes. Navigating through online subscription services can sometimes be tricky, but with a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to managing your plans effectively and efficiently. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, go ahead and type Semrush into the search bar and hit enter. This will lead you to the official Semrush website. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the right site by confirming the URL displays semrush.com to ensure your information is secure. When you've arrived at the Semrush homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're already a user, simply enter your credentials and sign into your account. However, if you are new to Semrush, you'll need to sign up first. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information and create an account. Keep in mind that completing this step is crucial for accessing your subscription details later on. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see your profile icon there. Give it a click. This will present you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for and select Subscription Info. This section houses all information about your current subscription, including any trials you may be signed up for. In the Subscription Information section, carefully look for the Cancel Subscription option. Clicking on this will initiate the cancellation process. It's important to remember that by canceling, you will stop any future charges if you're on a paid plan. For those not yet familiar, Semrush provides detailed guidance during this process, so feel free to follow any on-screen instructions and tips presented to you as you proceed. Now, if you happen to be using a free account and can't locate the cancel option, don't worry. Semrush has a helpful support team ready to assist you. Within the subscription info section, there should be a Contact Us link. Clicking this will connect you to their customer support, who can handle the cancellation process on your behalf. They're typically quite responsive and able to address any concerns you may have about your subscription or account. And there you have it, canceling your Semrush trial or subscription made simple and straightforward. By following these steps, you can easily manage your account, ensuring you're only subscribed to services you currently need. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides like this one.